I know you guys enjoyed that shot, the 360-degree shot, and I got a lot of DM on my Instagram how to go about getting this shot. And in this video, I'm going to answer you that how you can get this cool looking 360-degree shot when you are on your motorcycle. And this particular shot comes very handy when you're doing an off-road trail and you're enjoying the environment, or you're bicycling, and this can be used in multiple ways. So next I will explain you how you can get this cool shot right after this intro video. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I do. And right away, let's get on to the topic. How do you get this cool looking 360-degree composition or a 360-degree angle on your motorcycle when you're riding? So let's talk about things that you need. The very first thing that you need is this particular mount. This is a 360-degree mount which goes on the top of your helmet, and then there are some additional things you need to have. I'll show you that. Next, what you need is something like a selfie stick. So I have a selfie stick from SJ Cam, the one which I got with my SJ6 Legend. So you need a selfie stick. Of course, your action cam, that goes next. So that goes onto your selfie stick. And last but not the least, you can have something like a balancer. You can buy one of these. This is DIY. I've made it myself. If not, you can use another selfie stick, and I'll tell you how all of this comes together once you get it ready. And yeah, of course, I've forgotten one thing, which is the helmet. So the next thing you need is your helmet. There you go. That's the helmet. And the entire construction, once it's done, that goes on this particular mount on the top. So I'm going to tell you how this all comes together. So first thing first, you have this mount, that is the 360-degree mount. Your selfie stick, that goes here. I am just showing you guys how to get this constructed. You need to really lock this tight once you have this on. And the next thing you do is get your action cam onto this. So we're partially done here, not much to do once this has been taken care. So once this is done, this should look something like this. You have your 360-degree mount put onto your selfie stick, and then the camera being installed on the front. Next thing you need to do is get your helmet and put this on the top of your helmet. So you can see this is something like this now, and this can completely rotate. This mount is a 360-degree rotation, so it can rotate completely. And what you need to do is you need to extend the arm. So currently, if you shoot in this particular length, you can't get anything. So what you will do right now is get this extended, and once you do this, there will be a balancing issue. So you either use another selfie stick, join it here to balance the entire stuff, or you can do one of these the way I've done. And the next thing you want to do is use another selfie stick and put it on the other side and tighten this. So once we do this, this gets balanced, and all you need to do is ride, and this will turn automatically and record 360-degree footage, which looks fantastic, guys. I love doing this, and I'm going to put a link where you can get one of these in the description, so you can go check out the description to find out where you can purchase one of this. I got this a while back, and now I'm using it regularly for most of my rides, and I just love the way the footage is, and especially the way this gets mounted. You can't see any of this when it records, and only it records yourself and the surrounding. So that's brilliant about this particular thing, and yeah, I need to keep this aside. Well, that brings to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share this video as well. stay in touch for a lot of such videos. You can follow me on my Instagram, which is Weekend on Wheels 52, and you can also get in touch with me in my Facebook, which is Weekend on Wheels, and we can get connected and have a chat on a regular basis. And until the next video, I'm going to say ciao, bye bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this.